Welcome back, everyone. Let's jump in. Today we are going to talk about steps to overcoming unproductive habits. Step 1. Identify the habit. The first step is to acknowledge the unproductive habit and understand its impact on your life. Reflect on when and why you resort to this habit. As Charles Duhigg says in The Power of Habit, you can't extinguish a bad habit, you can only change it. Step 2. Understand the habit loop. Habits are formed through a cycle of cue, routine, and reward. Recognizing this loop helps us disrupt the cycle. James Clear, in Atomic Habits, explains, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." Step 3. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals. Breaking down larger goals into smaller steps makes them more manageable. Brian Tracy, in No Excuses, states, "Goals are the fuel in the furnace of achievement." Step 4. Replace the habit. Find a healthier alternative to replace the unproductive habit. If you snack when stressed, try taking a short walk instead. Roy F. Baumeister, in Willpower, reminds us, the best way to reduce stress in your life is to stop screwing up. Step 5. Develop a plan. Outline the specific steps, timelines, and potential obstacles. Share your plan with a trusted friend for accountability. As the old saying goes, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Step 6. Practice self-discipline. Mindfulness and delayed gratification are key. Establish a daily routine that includes time for work, exercise, and relaxation. David Goggins, in Can't Hurt Me, shares, "The only person who was going to turn my life around was me." Step 7. Track your progress. Keep a journal to record your progress and reflect on your journey. This helps identify patterns and maintain motivation. As Martin Meadows says in 365 Days with Self-Discipline, every day you need to make a decision to stay on track. Step 8. Manage stress. Incorporate stress relief techniques like meditation and exercise into your routine. A balanced diet and adequate sleep are also crucial. Remember, you don't have to control your thoughts, you just have to stop letting them control you. Step 9. Be patient and persistent. Change takes time, so be patient with yourself. Treat setbacks as learning opportunities. As Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Step 10. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. This reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Lao Tzu. Building self-discipline and overcoming unproductive habits is a journey, but with these steps, you're well on your way to taking control of your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content on the relearning curve. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to change your life.